Hey everybody, Tony from My Terrible Cakes on Instagram. Today I'm gonna be making a, what am I making today? Oh, an alien autopsy cake. Okay, first thing is I baked a cake. It's red velvet. Cut it in half. This is gonna be the body, and this is gonna be the head. Okay, now I got the body, I need to make the legs. All right, I kind of burned. The marshmallows were not melting. I don't know what's going on. I hate making this Rice Krispie treat garbage. Oh. Interesting. Hands, I'm thinking he has 2 digits. All right, I think in the crash, his feet were mangled. So in order to make this a real alien autopsy cake, I gotta give him something to autopsy. This is green tapioca pudding I made earlier. Oh, yuck. He's all cleaned up. Now he's ready for the frosting and the face. Okay. Got a little green body, and I'm gonna put on his accoutrements. And there he is, my little dead alien. Oh, you poor little guy.